One of the things that happens when you have an injury is that the joint can be traumatized. And when it's traumatized, you get pain, you get swelling, and you get inflammation in the tissues around the injury. And what it'll do is it'll attempt to correct itself and repair itself as quickly as possible, but it will repair itself with scar tissue. The scar tissue then can be restrictive and tighten the joint so that you can't move the joint freely like you were able to do prior to the injury. Chiropractic care is designed to restore that movement, that flexibility in a pain-free manner and motion so that you can be as strong and as healthy as you want to be as you continue to age. So chiropractic care is phenomenal to prevent arthritic changes from developing in your spine. This is an example of arthritis in the spine. This is an example of a healthy spinal segment. So the same type of progression of damage happens in your shoulder joint, or it'll happen in your elbow or your hip or your wrist. So chiropractic care is specifically designed to restabilize and align the joint and the supporting soft tissues to keep yourself flexible, strong, and pain-free.